Good morning or good afternoon. Whether you're at home or in the office, thank you for joining us for today's webinar, Delivering Analysis-Ready Data Pipelines from Streaming Data. I'm Kylie Drake with Cloudera, and I'll be your moderator for today's webinar. We're also joined by my colleagues, as you can see on the screen, Santiago Giraldo, Timothy Span, and Sean Amadian.
Thank you, Kylie. And thank you all for joining us today for the first in the Built in the Cloud series. As Kylie mentioned, I'm here with my colleagues, Sean and Tim, and we're going to show you the real power behind how the services inside of the CDP platform working together can really deliver a differentiated experience that will help you achieve what you need to do with your data across your entire business. So just to kind of level set here, this is the first of 4 Built in the Cloud sessions that we're putting together. This first one will be diving into delivering analysis-ready data pipelines from streaming data. This is a combination of Cloudera DataFlow and Cloudera Data Engineering for really accelerating and progressing forward how you consolidate, prepare, work with that data at the edge, and then deliver those pipelines where they need to go. In the following sessions, in session 2, we will expand on that and understand how the data pipelines that have been prepared in data engineering are seamlessly integrated inside of Cloudera machine learning to power machine learning workflows at scale. In the third session, we'll take a look at, in the third and fourth sessions, we'll take a look at how we deliver this into the business in an effective way. With session 3 diving into the integration of Cloudera data visualization inside of CDP for power and predictive applications and intelligent reporting. And then the last session, we'll take a look at how machine learning models can be placed to power data products through operational database. Overall, these 4 sessions will create a synergy that will help you get the most out of the CDP platform with these combined services, all underpinned together with the shared data experience to deliver you a truly comprehensive and differentiated experience across the board. So just to kind of set the groundwork here, what I really want to, what I really want to kind of lay out is that for a long time, we've thought about data workflows as product specific or specific to just individual things. If you have, for example, a data science or machine learning product, oftentimes there's a requirement to have these things work together with other products, to have to stitch them together in different ways. And ultimately, what we've realized from working with the top industries in the world around machine learning and data science is that these data workflows simply can't afford to be islands, and they can't afford to be siloed in the way that a lot of organizations do so today. So what we really want to begin to do is embrace all of the latest innovations and proliferations inside of data and machine learning platforms, such as having multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments inside of an enterprise data cloud, truly giving you the ability to work with your data wherever it is, and meet your data where it is today, and then get you where you're going, whether that's into a public cloud or a private cloud or some combination of both. We also want to make sure that we're embracing things like Kubernetes and containerization that really have differentiated in the way that we can isolate workloads and seamlessly work in between things like Cloudera Data Engineering and DataFlow to deliver a truly differentiated experience without the traditional problems and hassles that are often found inside of legacy systems. On the other end of the side, on the other side of the spectrum, we really want to focus on how do we actually make it as easy as possible to power interesting use cases of machine learning and power the use cases of tomorrow. This is the point of these 4 sessions in the long term, but while really focusing in on how do we go from the edge to AI in a way that makes sense and in a way that serves your business to deliver on what it needs to deliver on. And then finally, how do we create that seamless collaboration between the various teams, whether that's your data ingest teams, your data engineering teams, or your machine learning teams across the board. At Cloudera and with CDP, we're really truly building an enterprise data cloud, and everybody on this webinar should be using our public cloud offering to in some capacity. One of the biggest benefits and one of the biggest values of the CDP platform is the ability to really seamlessly integrate everything from your data collection all the way through to how your business uses that information. And powering a successful analytics strategy, especially today where you have massive amounts of disparate data from different sources, massive amounts of streaming data, and the need to consolidate and work with that data in very advanced and sophisticated and automated ways, that's becoming essential for being successful with this. And that's what we really set out to do. This is the reason why the Cloudera Data Platform adds substantial value into all of your data workflows by enabling you to solve any data problem that you have in a complete and seamless way. As I mentioned today, we're going to be taking a look at DataFlow streaming and data engineering, and how the synergy between these two experiences can give you a truly differentiated path forward for how you plan your analytics strategy down the line. So without further ado, I'm going to go